In this video, we'll discuss how to drive highly targeted traffic using video placement targeting in Google Ads. As an example, let's promote a health-related product. This is a CPA offer from markethealth.com. I'm going to show you how to promote this anti-aging skincare product using the video placement targeting method. You can find lots of videos listed in YouTube for the niche we selected. We're going to insert our offer in these top-ranked videos. Since the product is related to these niche videos, we'll definitely get a very high CTR and conversion. First of all, let's create a video placement list using TubeRaid Software. Go to youtube.com, click on the TubeRaid Software button. Click on the search button. Enter the keyword phrase, press the search button. These are top-ranked YouTube videos. There are 198 videos related to the niche we selected. Use this button to collect the video placement list. Copy this list. We need this for the ads campaign. Now we're in the Google Ads dashboard. We do not use keywords or topic options at all. Select the Placements section. Click on the Enter Multiple Placements link given here. Now, we have to paste the placement list we copied from the TubeRaid software. As you can see, a total of 198 video placements are added here. The ad will be displayed to those who watch the selected YouTube videos. As you can see, this is an ad group targeting the video placement list. If you want to target a channel placement list, you can add a new ad group here. This time, instead of the video list, we have to paste a list of channels. Use the TubeRaid software to collect the channel list. Copy this list and paste here. And save the ad group. As you can see, there are two ad groups under a single campaign. One ad targeting a list of videos and another one targeting a list of channels. Watch the statistics and see which ad group performs better, then tweak the ad group settings as necessary. This is the cheapest method available to drive ultra-targeted traffic from YouTube, the world's #1 social video network. The new TubeRaid software will help you to bring consistent, targeted traffic to promote anything on the internet. Get your TubeRaid software today.